I'm going on year 3 with this raised garden bed and absolutely love it. Let me show you why. All right, so this is the 6-foot raised garden bed. I live in a typical suburban neighborhood where you'll notice it fits perfectly between those poles. Yay! All I did to prep the ground was go ahead and pull out the grass, and then I lined the area with these bricks. That way the mower can go by easily without scraping it. It did need assembly, which was fairly easy to do. I was able to do it by myself and then just move into the location. You'll notice there's still no rust 3 years later, and everything just came together really, really well up here without any gaps. And so you don't have to worry about the soil leaking out or anything. The edges, even where it's curved, there's just a teeniest bit of gap, but you'll notice again 3 years later, no rust. And then the only thing that really did change is the soil, of course, compacted, but that is perfectly fine. It can easily be refilled, and as long as it's with good soil, your plants will grow great.